frame, which is the front and the back edge of the front of the table. You can see here that this makes a mirrored pair, and I've lined them up here so you can see our bolts are in the correct place. It will become clear later. This is the front, this is the rear. The one with the bottle opener on is the front, and it's matching cushioned rear where the tabletop will sit. 2 people, no power tools, hand tools is best, we'll show you why later, and it can be father and son. 2 people, look, it's simple DIY, but 2 people is best.
Perfect. Guys, please cut correctly. Yeah. So let's fit in. 45 degrees angle. Like this.
Right on a cold or a hot day.
Yeah.
So if this didn't fit in, we should align it.
Yep. And now it's perfect.
Into place. Yep. Perfect.
Very easy.
And we'll confirm that the fittings are on the outside.
Yes. Those fittings are on the outside. Very good.
Super.
So now we need to move. I suggest
Sideways on.
Sideways on. Yep. So hold it. Now it's a small.
Okay, the table has now got the 4 frame parts and the ends. So it's very sturdy already. The design is to act like a car suspension, where it will find its own level with a little bit of flex in the metal, just so it sits perfectly level on all 4 of its wheels. Thus, there's no need to over tighten any of the fittings. These should simply go through without any trouble, and we'll identify the correct parts in a moment. Yeah. So, we're going to be using the M650 nuts and bolts times 4. So, this will keep it square. I'll start at the top. These are going in the reinstall keepers. Just going to put them in and leave some movement for now.
Yep. I'm doing the same.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Same. Put some movement.
Yep. And now
Perhaps one. Show time.
Yep.
Great.
Because if you will
Tighten this one
Yeah,
too much
that-
first, then there's
you-
no
you-
room. I agree. And to make it nice and square, we're going to together.
Yep.
front, here we have one of the Bloom soft close drawer mechanisms, which is a serious piece of engineering. Here we'll have the soft close mechanism here and a fantastic adjustable drawer height. So when we've finished assembling, if there's any leveling needed for the drawers, we can make this all beautifully line up on the door faces, and we'll see that. It's handy to have this all in their lower level to begin with. I'll just set this back at the... Now to set the drawer levels, it's fantastically adjustable. You'll see how it works in a minute. We'll start with it at 0 level at the front, and this little pin here will go in a hole in the drawer, we'll see later. Again, we'll have this set down on its lowest for the initial install, and we'll adjust if we have to.
Yep.
Yes, of course, I was just going to show the inside.
Yep.
Good.
Let's check it.
Thank you.
Yep. Let's place the one.
Yeah. So this makes a pair. That's our charcoal drawer.
Yep.
Here's the 3, which will be opposite here. Thank you.
Very good.
Very good.
Yep.
Made the 3 drawers. Here's our barbecue aperture. And the 1, 2, 3, 4 accessory drawers, all opposite each other to make their pairs. So we're just going to check through all the rails that they are set in their 0 adjustment. They should be, but it's quite possible things have moved during transit. I'll take this one here. This is okay, but it needs to be 0 position, flush.
Yeah, perfect.
Flush, and the same at the back. There's a little adjustment on here. We'll take that to 0. Take that to 0, you'll see why later. Here's one that needs adjustment. So this one
No, that's okay.
is angled, that's fine, it's okay.
Yep. Perfect.
So here's one. It's up, it's down. You can hear the ratchet each place. All down, down, down. This is ready to go.
Yep.